guys, welcome back to Sophie and Video. Today, we're going to be reviewing a new beyblade that we just got. Take a bang. We're going to be reviewing Steel Samurai 480T, a hasbro exclusive.
Alright, Sophie, open it up. You're taking a while, don't you think? You know, Sophie, you did it wrong. You're supposed to pull this from that, like that.
Mm.
Alright, come on, open it up. Just rip this. Make that so tough.
We got it out.
Hey, good job, Sophie. Where's the other part? Alright, so here's the stats. So it's Steel Samurai 480 tapered. It's basically Tusk Mammoth and like Hell's Chain or Hell's Sight. Yeah, hasbro exclusive blade. Looks pretty cool. QR code right there. Scan into your Beyblade X app. Alright, Sophie. Let's move that to the side. Check the last good look. Alright, Sophie, open the wrap. Somebody telling me Sophie's not professional. Look at this. Well, focus. No, it can't focus. Alright, look at the white tapered. Alright. So, Sophie, build it. Are you gonna build it? Alright. This is Steel Samurai. Alright, Sophie, so what do you think about the bit?
I really like the design. I really like how it looks like a sword kind of, and it's like a Shogun samurai.
It's called a samurai.
A samurai.
Alright, so it's a really cool blue inner with red.
And white.
Yeah, and the white tapered. Sophie, how much it costed?
It costs $7.
Why? Because it didn't come with a launcher, right?
It does not include a launcher.
So Steel Samurai is basically Tusk Mammoth or Sight in Hell Sight or Sight Insignia. I don't have them. It's basically the same. Oh, is this 4? Yes, 4. So it's basically the same balance type, right, Sophie? It's like height. It looks like that, like compared to Arrow Wizard.
And it's small compared to Home Rhino.
Yeah, because it's Home Rhino small.
Yeah.
All right. Should we do some test battles, Sophie? All right. All right. So I'm using Steel Samurai. The lineup is this.
And we're gonna go from first to last.
Yeah. All right.
So starting off with Steel Samurai.
All right, versus
Sword Phoenix.
Sword Phoenix, Sword Wing Phoenix.
Attack type versus balance.
Yeah. I'll use my string launcher for this one. All right.
3,
2,
1.
Let it
What is this?
Oh, an extreme finish. 3 points, Steel Samurai, first to 4. 3, 2, 1, let it rip.
Oh!
Knockout, 5-0.
Sword Phoenix is out.
Steel Samurai wins. He's 1-0 right now.
Right. Tusk
Mammoth
Mammoth
versus Steel Samurai. Balance attack. Balance matchup.
Second round. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, this time I gave up. Oh,
1-0. Already Steel Samurai put up a fight against us. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Here goes us, brother. Which one do you prefer more, Toast Map or Steel Samurai?
I'm more of a Tusk Mammoth guy.
Okay. They both have their exclusives.
Oh.
Tusk Mammoth takes games 2.
2-2.
3, 2, 1, let it rip.
Oh! Extreme finish. Tusk Mammoth wins. Next match. Helm Knight defense.
Against. You already know. 3,
3,
2, 1, let it rip. Oh, one shot KO. Steel Samurai takes game 1, 2-0. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, big shot coming in from Steel Samurai.
Not Shield. Taking the center.
The Hasbro exclusive is on fire right now.
He's trying to fight back to take center. Looks like he's tilting. Oh, Helm Knight is not gonna let Steel Samurai take control over the center. Oh, it looks like Helm Knight won.
What's the score? 2-1?
2-1, 2-1, 2-1.
2-1.
3, 2, 1, let it
rip.
rip.
Oh, X-Dash is coming in. Oh.
Helm Knight takes the center again. Steel Samurai trying to get a quickie attack. Oh, and Helm Knight wins.
I'm not sure about this purchase. I may be down $7. 3, 2, 1, let it rip.
Oh, we're starting off strong with Knight Shield taking the center. Steel Samurai trying to find a quick shot.
We all use a
Take
ripcord
damage.
for the next fight.
Steel Samurai is not finding an angle to attack Helm Knight. Helm Knight is taking the center, is pretty stable right now.
I expected better. The $10 base doing better than the $7 doing 1.2.
Oh!
Ooh, Scrappy
Helm
coming in.
Knight, Helm Knight won?
Yeah.
Yeah, he won, huh? What is it? 2-3?
It's already 4.
That's already 4? Oh, okay. Helm Knight wins. Next match.
Arrow Wizard.
Arrow Wizard.
Again.
Stamina.
Yeah.
Versus Steel Samurai. 3, 2, 1, let it
rip.
rip.
Oh! First finish, first couple.
Where'd the other part go?
Mark.
Hold
2
on,
points. 2 points to Steel Samurai. Pretty good. Pretty good against the other ones. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. But at the same time, Arrow Wizard does get bricked a lot.
Arrow Wizard going strong. Finding the center for stamina and for coordinates. Look at that. Look at that.
I expected better.
Arrow Wizard stable as the win.
The win's not even
3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, here we go.
Oh, that's what
Steel Samurai is acting a little bit
big
violent.
shot.
Arrow Wizard is not letting him take over the center. He says that is mine. And we win by a survivor finish.
3, 2, 1,
Let
let
it
it
rip.
rip.
Oh. Steel Samurai trying to fight back. Pushing Arrow Wizard off the center. But it looks like Steel Samurai's attacks are not that strong enough.
The Hasbro exclusive is doing horrible against these bays.
What's the score?
It's like 3-0.
3-0.
3, 2, 1,
Let it rip. Oh my god!
Extreme
Extreme dash. Arrow Wizard takes the win. Next match. Horn Rhino defense versus Steel Samurai.
3,
2, 1.
let it rip. No. Oh, Horn Rhino does have a low center of gravity.
Horn Rhino, being the smallest type, is viable to be hit pretty badly. But looks like right now it's taking the center, and Steel Samurai has not been able to land an easy attack on Horn Rhino.
That's scraping. I'll use the stream launcher.
Steel Samurai reminds me of Captain America.
I know, right?
Oh! Horn Rhino
the ratchet.
wins by survivor finish.
3, 2, 1,
Let
let
it
it
rip.
rip.
Horn Rhino takes the win. 3-0.
3, 2,
1,
1, let it rip.
rip.
What was the score?
3-0. Horn Rhino stripping. Oh! Extreme dash.
from Steel Samurai. I like how the ratchet looks. It looks like a blade around it. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. The launcher hit me. It went under the stadium, under the setup. I count that as 4, don't you think?
Alright, fine. Alright, last match. Dagger Dren. Attack type versus Steel Samurai.
3, 2, 1, let it rip.
Dagger Dren trying to find an easy shot. Taking another X dash. Oh, dealing good damage to Steel Samurai. Looks like Steel Samurai is not gonna hold on any longer. Steel Samurai loses by a survivor finish.
I hurt. 3, 2,
1, let it rip. Boom! X dash with a hit on Steel Samurai. Steel Samurai is not doing great right now.
I think I made a bad purchase. Should have bought the other ones instead of him. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. I need an X dash. I need an extreme finish. No!
Oh my god!
Oh, looks like I lost 4-0.
Dagger Dren opened the door and said to Steel Samurai, "Pásale."
Okay, guys, so this is the end of the video. And as you can see from our battles, it looks like Steel Samurai is not that good in fights. Maybe we still have to break it in to see if it will become better. But from our battles, it did not match up well compared to the other Beyblades.
Yeah, this taper wasn't really that good. I prefer more Tusk Mammoth taper. So, Sophie, thoughts?
My thoughts are, I really like the design and the color. However, it is not really good for battling.
I see. It was losing a lot. It wasn't very consistent. So he won like how much? Twice? 3 times?
I think he won like 3 times.
And we have 5 bays, so 3-2. Pretty good. I like the blade, the color, everything. For $7, Hasbro exclusive. I say cop it. It's not very good in battle unless we did something wrong. The design's pretty cool. Well, yeah.
Okay, that's it for the YouTube video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me whether you like Steel Samurai or not. Bye.